Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use JSON files in Python. First, you'll need to import the JSON module. To read data from a file, use JSON. Load with an open file object. If your JSON is already a string, JSON loads will parse it directly into Python data structures. This allows you to quickly bring external data into your programs for processing and analysis. Once loaded, JSON data seamlessly transforms into familiar Python data types. JSON objects are represented as dictionaries, letting you access values using their keys, just like any Python dictionary. JSON arrays become Python lists, allowing you to iterate through elements or access them by index. This makes navigating your data very intuitive. Working with JSON data in Python is flexible. You can easily modify the loaded data by adding new key-value pairs to your dictionary-like objects or updating existing values. Similarly, you can append new items to your list-like arrays. These changes are made directly to the Python data structures before saving them back to JSON format. After making your changes, you can save your Python data back into a JSON file. Use JSON dump with a file object to write the data. If you need a JSON string instead, JSON dumps will convert it. For better readability, especially with complex data, consider using the indent parameter, perhaps set to 4 spaces.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.